Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Melissa if you haven't been here before. Today what we're going to do is we're going to be playing with the Juvia's Place Wahala 2 palette. It is so gorgeous. And I'm going to be trying out some of the shades and seeing what I think about it and doing a look. So if that's something you want to see, then just keep watching. Alright, let me take off my glasses. I'm going to put on my cat ears, my Halloween costume. So I didn't get a chance to film this today. So this is, what, 10 o'clock at night, 9:53 at night, Halloween. So we had a fun Halloween, but I've already put on my brows using the e.l.f. little Ultra Instant Lift Brow Pencil in deep brown, and I use the Beauty Bay eye base to prime my eyes. So that is all done. Alright, first I want to go into Yab right here. And I'm taking the ColourPop E23 brush. And I'm just putting a little bit of that in my crease. Not going up too far, just trying to stay right in the crease. Alright, I'm going to take ASAP and I'm going to use that in my outer corner of my lid. Alright, now I want to go into Fake up here, which is like a multi-chrome shade. I just had to use it. It looks gold and green and pink and just all sorts of different colors. I'm going to go in there and put it on the other half of my lid. You can see it really good on the brush. Oh my god. That is just gorgeous. Oh, that's so gorgeous. Bam, beautiful. Alright, now I'm taking a cotton round with some micellar water. I'm going to clean up. I did get a little bit of fallout from that brown shade. I'm cleaning up my edges as well. I'm taking the NYX Pore Filler Primer. And I'm going to dot that on my face. Alright, now I'm going in with the Maybelline Dream Radiant Liquid Hydrating Foundation. I'm going to blend that in with my BK Beauty 101 brush. Now I'm taking the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser in the shade Brightener. It just kind of has a little pinky tone to it. Oh. Blend that in with my concealer brush, but you don't need to blend it in too much because of the way the applicator is. Taking my number 7 powder in light, and I'm using the ColourPop F32 just to set that concealer. And I'm taking the Maybelline City Bronzer in the shade 200. And I'm going to try out the ColourPop F30 with that. It's not too bad. Kind of gives a little bit more of a pinpoint color. I'm going under my chin and I'm going down my neck. Alright, I'm taking the ColourPop F29 and I'm going to go into B, but I'm going to try to be light because it kind of matches the color I got on. And just try to be light with it. I just tapped in twice into the pan. I'm gonna build it up so I don't go too crazy. I put a little bit of Sola too on top. It's kind of a shimmery blush. Thought that might be cute. And I'm taking the Tribe Highlighter Volume 3 by Juvia's Place. And I'm going to try to be light-handed with this too, if I can. It's super pigmented. Going over my brows, going down my nose, Cupid's bow, and a little on the chin. I'm just going to go into ASAP and put that underneath my lash line. Alright, I'm taking a ColourPop E29, just that flat little tiny brush. And I'm going to go into Fame right here as my inner corner highlight. Alright, I'm taking my Thrive Cosmetics mascara and I'm going to put that on real quick and I'll be right back. Alright, for lips, I'm taking the Maybelline Lifter Gloss in Moon. And I'm just going to throw that on my lips real quick. And I'm taking the NYX Matte Finish Long Lasting Setting Spray. And I'm going to spray my face real quick. Alright, well this is the final look using the Juvia's Place Wahala 2 palette. I'm going to show it to you again, just how beautiful it is. I think this is a gorgeous palette. I love the multi-chrome shade that I put on my eyes. It is just gorgeous. I think this eye look is amazing. I'm loving it. And I can't wait to get into some of these other shades. You have a whole row of silvers, you have purples, blues, teals, even some oranges and pinks and purples. Just a beautiful palette with plenty to choose from. I know on the back it says, I'm going to read what it says on the back because it's real interesting. I love their themes for their palettes and where they get it from. But it says this palette is inspired by the traditional Benin mask of the Edo people of Nigeria, which was sculpted as a portrait of Ioba, known as Queen Idea. This palette is a mix of culture, playful, and sassiness. Wahala is a Nigerian word, a translation for trouble, drama, and intensity. This drama palette is a powerful selection of 30 beautiful and contrasting colors to complement your innermost artistic cravings, a more amplified definition of our drama, sophistication, and authentic beauty. And I definitely think that this is intense. I think that they definitely got the intensity right. And I'm so excited to have this in my collection. And everything just blended perfectly. That shimmer shade just went straight on my lid, no problem. I'm definitely loving some Juvia's Place nowadays. They've been coming out with a lot of good stuff. I still have their two little palettes that I need to do videos on, but I just got this one today and couldn't help it. I had to do a video on this one because it's just so beautiful. They did real good shipping it out pretty fast. So I think I can't remember when I ordered it, but I was surprised that it came today and how fast it came. They shipped it out really quick. But I'm really loving this look. I don't know if everybody will love this look. I had my first negative comment yesterday. I saw it last night. But they pretty much told me that I needed to watch some more YouTube videos because I didn't know how to do eyeshadow. Which kind of made me paranoid when I was doing my makeup today. Before we went trick-or-treating, I did like a black silvery smoky look, and I was paranoid the whole time. Was like, well, were they talking about this? Were they talking about this? Am I doing this right? Am I doing that right? I never said that I was a makeup artist. I just love makeup. I'm a makeup enthusiast. I enjoy doing looks. I enjoy doing my makeup. This is my therapy. And I actually do watch a ton of YouTube videos, and I do my eyeshadow the way that I think that it flatters me the most. And I decided I'm just not going to worry about it. I just wanted to tell you guys because I thought it was funny about my first negative comment that I've gotten since I've been doing YouTube. I'm surprised it's taken this long to get a negative comment, because when I first started, yeah, I really wasn't wonderful at eyeshadow. I think that I've come a long way since my first video. If you watch my first video and some of my other videos, I mean, I'm not Scott Barnes or Natasha Denona, but I feel that I make looks that look flattering on me. That's all I'm going to say about that. If you want some swatches and some more kind of looks at other palettes, comparisons compared to this palette, Karen Harris just posted a video earlier that has a look, it has swatches, and it also has comparisons to a lot of different palettes. And I agree with her that majority of the palette, most people probably already have the blues, but this shade up here totally makes the palette for me. This shade is gorgeous. And I would definitely pay another $38 just for that shade. I think it's beautiful. And she actually compared it to the Pat McGrath special shade in her Divine Rose 2 palette, her multi-chrome that she has in there, and it's almost dead on to what it looks like. So if you were wanting the Pat McGrath, that shade, which that's the only reason why I wanted that palette, was because of that shade. $38, I got that shade. I didn't have to pay $129 or how much ever it is. But I think also there's some pretty glitters in here. I think that it's a beautiful palette, and I think if you're interested in it, I don't think that you would be disappointed with this palette. But I hope you liked the video. I hope you like the look. If you did, please hit the like button. Also subscribe if you haven't already. I'd love for you to become a part of our family here. Also ring the bell so you can be notified whenever I upload my amazing content. And that's going to be all for me. I hope you are staying happy, staying healthy, taking care of yourselves, and I hope you have a great rest of the day. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye, y'all.